Welcome to Branching Out. I'm Katie Algren, Director of Innovative Professional Learning with the Kane County Regional Office of Education. Four Corners is a discussion activity that involves having students answer questions first on their own, then with a small group of ideally 4 students, and finally synthesizing the question through a whole class discussion. You will need to prepare question sets prior to implementing this activity. Your question sets can be the same, so each group answers the same questions, or you can vary your questions so each group has a different question to reflect on. Randomly hand out the questions to students and give each student a sticky note. On their own, students need to answer the question on their page by writing it on their sticky note and placing the note in one of the corners of the paper. I recommend putting a group name or number on the question sets so that it's easier for students to find the other students in their group. Using just one of the students' question paper from the group, each student needs to place his or her answer on the 3 other corners of the paper, and then read through the group to discuss. Each group will now receive a blank PostIt note where they will work together to write their answer to the question that is a best and final answer and place it in the middle of the paper. After the groups are done synthesizing the information, it's time to move into a whole class discussion. This can look many different ways. Students can come to the front of the room to report their answers and how they found their best and final response as a group, or they can post their best and final answers on the board and do a gallery walk or a whole class discussion. The possibilities are endless. So now it's your turn to branch out to implement the discussion technique 4 Corners in your classroom. Please don't forget to share your experience with us by tagging us on social. And as always, thanks for watching Branching Out.